This video from Shop Stuff, we're going to give a quick demonstration of how you can correct a mistake you've made in the register mode while processing a transaction. The easiest mistake to clear is the wrong amount entered. So if you type in 199 and realise that I should have typed in 299 and you realise that before you assign the monies to a department, you can simply press the C button here and that'll get rid of the 199. So you can now enter your 299 into Department 1, but then you realise you should have put it into Department 2. Because there's only one item entered, it's really easy to clear. You simply press the error correct button down here and that'll get rid of it. So now we put the 299 into the correct department, and then let's say we had a few more items in there. So we've got plenty of items in the sale, and then we realise there's a mistake in the entry, or the customer has changed their minds about one of the items. The machines have a neat review order or void item screen. If you press the arrow down key, it brings up the review void display, and you can arrow down to the item you wish to remove, and then when it's highlighted you press cash amount end and that removes that item from the sale. We press subtotal again. If you decide for whatever reason to cancel the whole sale because the customer's changed their mind or there's a lot of mistakes on there, you simply press subtotal like I've just done, and then if you press the error correct cancel key again, it'll now give you the option to cancel the whole sale. To confirm, press cash amount end and the whole sale is cancelled, and you can then press the C button to return back to the normal screen. For more information on the SRS range of Casio cash registers, please visit shopstuff.co.uk. Thanks for watching.